Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Kenwood radio. First, power on your Kenwood unit and confirm Bluetooth is active on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the Bluetooth menu on your radio, often found by pressing the Source or Menu button. From there, select the Pairing or Add Device option to begin the connection process. This prepares your radio to discover new devices. Once your Kenwood radio is in pairing mode, it will actively search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Simultaneously, open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone or other audio device. You should see your Kenwood radio's model name appear in the list of available devices. Tap on your Kenwood radio's name on your phone to initiate the connection. This step links the two devices. After selecting your Kenwood radio, a pairing request will likely appear on both your radio's display and your mobile device. It's crucial to confirm this request on both screens, usually by selecting Yes or OK. Some Kenwood models might require a PIN. The default code is often 0000 or 1234. Enter this code if prompted to finalize the secure connection. With the pairing complete, play some audio from your connected device to confirm the Bluetooth connection is working correctly. Ensure the volume is turned up on both your Kenwood radio and your mobile device. If you encounter any issues, try unpairing the devices and repeating the process. For persistent problems, refer to your specific Kenwood radio's user manual for detailed troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.